Have you
Go!
the hippo? and then
what's the giraffe?
The giraffe is. And then the giraffe in heat. It's a cow.
If I don't.
That was the giraffe in heat. I'm not doing it again.
Wait, do a different one.
What's another one?
I don't know.
A turtle. A turtle. And I can't. and then the moose. The moose I did in French class in 9th grade. It was like like that.